What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got the full review of the Vivo Y18, an upgrade that might not live up to the name. Stick around to find out. First, let's dive into the unboxing. We've got the mocha brown version. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Inside the box, you'll find a SIM ejector tool, a power cable, a condom case, some scrap paper, and of course, the phone. The Vivo Y18 features an IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate, running on Android 14, heavily skinned by FunTouch OS. One gripe I have with Vivo is their dubious practice of installing scrapware or crapware even after you opt out during the initial setup. Browsing on this phone is smooth, as expected, and watching movies is decent for its price range. You can't actually really ask for more. Now, let's talk about the camera performance. The rear camera boasts a 50 megapixels wide lens. In this sample, the color on the carrot icing are too vivid and saturated, losing their natural look, and some might prefer this but others won't. The next sample isn't the sharpest, but it's clean. The photo is a bit overexposed but maintains its natural color. In this next photo, there are some missing details, especially in certain areas. Comparing shots between the 50 megapixels and the default mode, you'll notice that the 50 megapixels photo is overexposed, while the default shot has darker contrast. Taking another shot from a different angle, the 50 megapixels photo shows balanced exposure but gives a reddish tint to skin tones, while the default shot is brighter and maintains natural skin tones. When taking photos against the light, you'll get darker photos due to low exposure. At night, without using the night mode, photos are noisy and blurry, but with night mode, the results improve with sharper images, although some noise remains. In this sample, the camera handled the intense brightness from a monitor well, providing a clean and somewhat sharp result. Even in this night mode sample, it delivered nice bokeh effects. Moving on to the front-facing camera, which is 8 megapixels, photos with beautifications are clean and smooth, perfect for social media. Though without beautification, it shows the natural look of the subject. Overall, it's not bad for an 8 megapixels camera. At night, the quality drops, but that's expected for an entry-level smartphone. For video, the front camera in daylight is actually unexpectedly good. The video is clean and the camera keeps up with the changing light conditions, making it decent for vlogging, and at night, the quality drops but that's expected for an entry-level smartphone. Using the back camera to shoot video at 1080p 30 frames per second, the result isn't sharp and loses a lot of details. Now let's talk about gaming. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 paired with 8GB of RAM. Playing Mobile Legends is okay. I suggest medium frame rate and low graphics settings to avoid less lag and frame drops. With Call of Duty Mobile, the best settings are low graphics and medium frame rate for a smooth experience. With that settings, we didn't experience any lag during long gaming sessions. For PUBG Mobile, using HD graphics and high frame rate settings will cause rendering issues. But most competitive players prefer the lowest graphics settings for best gaming experience. Overall, if you're considering a Vivo phone, be prepared for crapware being installed even when you opted out during the initial setup. The camera and gaming performance are similar to last year's Vivo Y17s, the main difference being the RAM and storage options. The Vivo Y18 cost around 7,499 pesos during this recording. But With discounts, you might get it for around 6,500 pesos. Still, this price is steep considering there are other phones with better specifications and similar camera performance like the itel RS4. That's all for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.